reusing values in variables. Okay, again, let's go straight to the instructions. The last time we built our game, we repeated ourselves a lot. Instead of writing out the pattern for each tile, let's save the types of terrain we want to use to set of variables that we can use across the board. Replicate the previous design by making each variable equal to the one of the following: grass, rocks, and forest. Okay, so in terrain 1, we're going to set that equal to grass. Now all three tiles that were initially changed will be changed to grass. Terrain 2 will be changed to rocks. Terrain 3 will be changed to forest. Okay, so instructions. Below variable 1, declare a variable called 2. Set variable 2 to equal rocks. Remember to pay attention to details like punctuation. Next, create a variable 3 and set it equal to forest. Run the code. How does the board change? Now try replacing the values with other ones that you've seen in this lesson. Here's the full list. Okay, so we're going to create a new variable. We'll just call it 2, and we're going to set it equal to rocks. Okay, then they say next create a variable 3 and set it equal to forest. Variable 3, set it equal to forest. Let's run the code. Okay, there you go, it's changed. Okay, so now try replacing the values with other ones that you've seen in this lesson. So I'm going to change this to, for instance, lake. Or rather, let's change this to moon. Then we're going to change this to lake. And this will just change to rocks. Okay, now if we run that. Right.